Eggplant, grafting. Preparing the rootstock. This rootstock is pea eggplant, which is commonly considered as a weed. Cut off the rootstock flat across using a sharp pruner. Preparing the scion. Trim the scion by making two opposing angle cuts. Creating a wedge. Place a sharp grafting knife at the middle and gently create a slit. Creating the graft. Insert the scion inside the slit of rootstock. Just be careful because cambiums should make into contact. To heal the cuts fast, apply antibacterial agents such as turmeric. Securing the graft. Cover the graft using grafting plastic or grafting tape. Make sure that all cuts are completely covered. Wait for 30 to 45 days for progress.